But I was really quiet when we were starting. Simply because ang layo nung gap ng age ko sa lahat ng cast. I'm observing. Kahit naman saan when I'm new to a certain place, to a certain environment, I'm really quiet. I'm just observing. Just to know where I will position myself. So, until nag-start na kayo mag-shooting, siguro dun niya na nakikita yung pagiging makulit ko, pagiging malambing ko, yung pagiging close ko sa kanya.
So, paano nag-warm up si Enchong sa'yo? Anong ginawa mo? Kinulit-kulit mo ba siya?
I think naging physically attached kami at a certain point. I keep on tapping her back.
So, ikaw naman yung man boobs ni Enchong.
Kasi kasi hanggang dito lang siya. So,
can you imagine yourself falling for Kiray?
Sabi ko
Or
nga,
somebody like her, yung sense of humor niya,
sabi ko nga, no. Kasi,
ang sweet mo naman.
hindi kasi, I don't want,
promo, no?
Hindi, I don't want to appear kasi, di ba?
Meron din akong nabasa article.
The usual actors, di ba, will say, yeah, syempre, kasi they're promoting ang movie. Sabi ko hindi, kasi to begin with, ang layo ng age gap namin. I don't want to appear na parang cradle snatcher. Number two, parang, di ba, parang
nabubola ka na.
Wag ka masyadong showbiz. Showbiz na nga yung trabaho natin, showbiz pa ugali.
Para dapat organic
So, yeah.
chemistry.
But I'm glad I built a relationship with her through this movie.
Lagi na lang siya tinatanong niya ba ako kung gusto ko siya?
In the first place, no?
Right. Sige. Apologize everyone. Sorry.
Siya in love din ako sa kanya kasi lagi na lang yung mga press, lagi siyang tinatanong. Tapos yung mga sagot niya, no. Kasi nakakabastos na.
Hindi!
Hindi! Meron akong isang nabasa. Actually, meron akong isang nabasa na sobrang nabastusan ako sa kanya. Sinasabi ko na ngayon. Bago kami maggabi, before kami magmagandang buhay taping, may nabasa ako na isang article sa Push. Na parang, na sinabi niya na kung pwedeng ma-inlove. And meron siyang isang sinabi sa akin na hindi kami magka-level, parang kinote siya ng ganun, you said that.
Okay. Naging klaro ako doon na hindi magka-level. Sabi ko, because of our age.
Yung age naman.
Hindi sinabi. Sinabi mo lang hindi ka magka-level.
Yeah.
Kaya sabi ko, talaga lang Kaya nag-tweet pa ako noon. Hindi ko siya pinangalanan. Sabi ko, hindi tayo magka-level. Nakakahiya naman sa'yo. Sobrang galit ko.
Why would I say na hindi tayo magka-level? That's very offensive. You know that we're in the same business and that's always the case. And like for example, nag-tweet din ako last time because I was press call and I gave a very accommodating and very nice, very nice interview. Pero iba yung headline, iba yung lumabas. Sabi ko, because I'm very willing to do experimental projects right now. Sabi ko, I don't mind if there will be a gay film na offered to me, if it's needed in the scene, I don't mind. Pero nilagay nila yung headline, it's very bad. So sabi ko, I remember the two press that said that, and sabi ko, I will stay quiet, but I know them.
Sa tabloid mo ba?
Yeah, it's very tabloid. So I'll keep it that way. Sabi ko nga, it's unfair for us na kasi syempre kailangan namin ng tulong nyo. Lumalapit kami sa inyo para tulungan kami sa pelikula namin. And yet, that's what we get in return. Na sometimes we feel unfair. And now like it's another case with Kiray towards me na it affects relationships.
Na hindi mo alam.
All throughout.
Pero hindi naman big deal.
Nag-tweet ka, big deal yun.
Kung big deal yun,
Kasi ako
tinag kita.